I always thought I needed to be more organized, until I found out I just needed less stuff. That's why I fell in love with Japandi. It was love at first sight. It's the simplicity, the minimalism, and the mix of the two cultures that, when brought together, made the perfect blend. The Scandinavian modernism and practicality mix with the Japanese love for the imperfect. The living room is a space where I feel most at home. It's the place I spend most of my time and share most of my memories. I was trying out different things before I set my heart with Japandi. Even though I have a home office, I still love to work here too. This place just brings peace and calmness to my soul. I feel safe here. And most people think that in order to create a home like this, you need to spend too much money. That's why I decided to share my living room with all of you and show you that you can create a beautiful home on a budget with stuff you already have, and by shopping at Ikea. Let's start from the beginning. The first thing I did was getting rid of things I didn't like anymore. I donated or flipped the decor and decided to keep only things that spark joy in my heart. Most of the vases, cups, and pots in my home are DIY'd, thrifted, or painted. They may look expensive and high-end, but in reality, they just cost a few dollars. Something I learned from the Scandinavian hue is that candles can make the biggest difference. They just tend to cozy up any space. Another thing that can warm up a space is baskets. I use them for storing blankets and things I need but don't necessarily want to see visually. For example, in this basket, I keep Mars toys. You'll meet Mars in just a minute. I was never into colors, and whenever I added a pop of color into this space, I instantly felt clutter. So I decided to go with my gut and just do what feels good for me. And that was a neutral palette. Lots of white, gray, beige, cream, brown, and pops of black. Layering colors and materials with different textures, but still the same tones. Using only the colors of the earth. Light wood tones mixed with a pop of black, stone, and clay. I use the same principle when it comes to picking art too. And these art pieces look so high-end, yet I got them from Etsy. The amazing Anna Pepe and her FORN studio are something I instantly fell in love with. Most people think that being a minimalist is all about living with less, and that is partially true. However, that doesn't mean no decor whatsoever. Being a minimalist is recognizing clutter. I go with one principle. If you don't love it or use it, it's clutter. And for most people, that doesn't mean no decor. It just means intentional promotion of the things we most value and the removal of anything that distracts us from it. Once I reduced the number of possessions in my home, I instantly felt more calm and less stressed. I love to decorate with magazines, books, and dried flowers. My living room is faced on the north side, so most plants don't make it here. That's the main reason I don't have any plants. To compensate for not being able to have real plants, I collect branches and dried flowers. I use them anywhere I can. They remind me of large fields on windy Sunday afternoons. I don't attach emotionally to material things. I believe that's the main reason why I love living with less. There are things in my home I keep for a reason. However, for the most part, I don't let my emotions get attached to an object. I have my memories for that. However, I still love to look at beautiful things and decor that makes me feel I'm one with nature. I read this somewhere and it just felt right. Our homes should inspire us to go out into the world to do great things and then welcome us back for refreshment. A home should be less about the things it has and more about the people who live inside it. I really hope you enjoyed my video and found it helpful and inspiring. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the like button. Till next time, designers!